Item heaven. I know. Dude, I could probably land in this house right now. Like, when I didn't even do that. I was freaking on the ceiling thing. Great. Great, a micro Uzi stock. What can I do with that? Everything. Oh my god, is that you? Crowbar, great. Dude, I haven't found a gun yet. No joke. Venom 4, let's go. I think that crap that's retarded. That PDA crap. I don't care about it. You want kids to bring meth to school? Don't think so. There's a guy in there. They're not. Really? Thanks, those are really good. Great, a shotgun. Ooh, the Sega. I'll take that though. That's actually really good. I need. Do you have a gun that you can give me? I only got a shotgun and. Dude, okay. You can actually put an 8x on this. This can be used as a rifle too. Awesome. This rifle could be. This shot can be used as a rifle too. I'm not even joking, cause you can put an 8x on here. Give me an dude. You can put it on the crap. Found a Groza. I found a DP-28. Should I actually get that? Should I actually get the DP-28? That's a really fast rate of fire too. I'd have a Groza too. Yeah, whatever. For a Groza or the. Yeah. Got a Vector too. Great. Another guy. Dude, this has no recoil whatsoever. Hey, hold on. Come at me. Save your ammo. Save your ammo, because there's a guy by me that's about to die. Good job. Hey, there's another guy here. You have nothing, dude. I'll just kill you. Fine. Got 3 kills. Let's go. Got a 4x and a lot of ammo. Okay. Hey, I found another Groza if you want it. Which floor are you on? Get up here. Oh, never mind. Get in the house. Put a pan. Let's go. They're really good. On a freaking Vector and I want to use it, but I can't. If it had more damage, it'd be really good. They do not a lot of damage. Reza, right, right here. Here's some ammo. 27, that's all I can spare. Here's 27 more. Back there with all that crap is that? We need to move in a minute. No, we don't, because we can just do this. The circle? What are you talking about? No, I'm in the circle by 1 meter. Dawson, come here. Run. Dude, it was like right behind me. I'm like, okay, I'm just 1 meter. I don't even care. Get in the house. Jesus. The auto opener is kind of, I don't use it a lot. I just like clicking it. Got a mini 14 if you want it. I'll take it then. Great, I just dropped my ammo. Go away, Dawson. Drop my ammo. There we go. Heal up, heal up. Get down and heal. And there's another guy somewhere camping here. Heal up. There you go, there you go. Where you at? Right by me. Just waste your ammo, boys. I can't now. Let's go! Let's go! Oh, that was sweet! I got 6 kills. I am hype. Oh my... How... Not clickbait. Kid? Hey, you can actually try. I mean, you know, it's not really clickbait unless you try. Are you on the roof? I love your ear rape. It's the best. There's like no guns in there. I'll protect. On. Dude, quick jumps are so fast.